Welcome to Radical Thought. In the previous video, it was shown that machines will indeed replace most human jobs. In this video, we take our discussion a step further to ask, can AI take over cognitive jobs? Let's explore the facts. Cognition is the mental action or process of acquiring knowledge and understanding through thought, experience, and the senses. One part of understanding the world is gathering data, and another part is making sense of it, which is known as cognition. To understand cognition, let's take an example. If you are shown pictures of a cat for the first time in your life, after looking at 2 or 3 pictures, you can identify right away that it's a cat. But if you show the same pictures to the AI, it only sees a bunch of meaningless colored squares. It is this part of human behavior that was once thought to be unachievable by machines, because they can gather data, but they cannot make sense of that information. However, it is now changing because AI is now taking baby steps at cognitive behavior. This is where something called deep learning comes into play. Basically, it amounts to showing the machine a million photographs of cats and a million photographs of not cats. Then having the AI software adjust a million internal variables until it can identify the photos correctly. If we are going to have machines act and behave like humans, we also need to train them like humans. This is where another technological marvel comes into play called computer vision. If you observe closely, most of the things we do in our life require us to see things and observe. In other words, our primary source of input information is our vision. So machines must also be able to observe using visual input. Already it started to happen that AIs can now identify what is what. But the next step of human-like behavior is to identify who is who. AIs can easily differentiate between a cat and a human. But can they also differentiate a human from another human? The answer is yes, they can. Many intelligence agencies of the world use facial match feature to identify certain suspects. AI can identify them even if their looks might change after some time. This is truly remarkable. Soon AI will be able to do the more artistic things as well, like journalism, law, composing a musical symphony, hosting a talk show, or perhaps even acting in a movie. However, none of this should come as a shock or even be worrisome for anyone, because it will also evolve the nature of the job, might make it more interesting, or even add some unthinkable elements that we have not even thought about. So, can machines take over cognitive jobs? Yes, they can. But what will we humans do when AIs take all our jobs? That is a topic reserved for next time. If you like this video, please like and share. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and visit our website for more entertaining facts. So, with an exciting new radical question, see you in the next episode.